ओम येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधीः प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंभृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्ष वेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीर् नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। उपदेश साहस्री तत्वमसि प्रकरणम। The janati shabda, various vyutpattis were explained and that they are not possible for Atma. That topic was concluded in 56th shloka. From 57th shloka up to 71, Abhasa Siddhi, this topic will be explained. In the introduction to 57, एवं मुख्या वृत्त्या ज्ञानादि शब्द वाच्यत्वम आत्मनो नोपपद्यते. Atma cannot be the meaning of the मुख्य वृत्ति of ज्ञानादि शब्द. इति प्रतिपादिते तव अपि एतत्तुल्यम इति आशंक्य पूर्वपक्षी says, in your case also it is same. Siddhanti will say ishtapatti. Ishtapatya pariharati. Means we want to make sure that jnana shabda is not, its vachyartha is not Atma. Even in Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma, Atma is not vachyartha of any pada. So we don't have problem. Mukhya vritti means vachyartha. न येषाम् एक एवात्मा निर्दुःखो विक्रियः सदा तेषां स्यात् शब्दवाच्यत्वं ज्ञेयत्वं चात्मनः सदा. न येषाम् एक एवात्मा निर्दुःखो विक्रियः सदा तेषां स्यात् शब्दवाच्यत्वं ज्ञेयत्वं चात्मनः सदा. येषाम् आत्मा एक एव निर्दुःखो अविक्रियः सदा तेषां ज्ञान शब्द वाच्यत्वम. शब्द वाच्यत्वम मीन्स ज्ञान शब्द वाच्यत्वम, बिकॉज ज्ञान इज द प्रकरण. ज्ञान शब्द अध्याहार यू हैव टू डू. ज्ञान शब्द वाच्यत्वम ज्ञेयत्वम च आत्मनः सदा न स्यात्. येषाम, for those people, means Vedantin, Advaitins, who consider Atma is only one, Eka Eva Atma. We are the only people, Advaitins, who are different from all the other darshanas in this regard. Eka Eva Atma. And what is the nature of that Atma? Nirdukha, Avikriyaha. शोकादि रहित, विकार रहित, तेषां मते ज्ञान शब्द वाच्यत्वम् आत्मनः, ज्ञेयत्वं च आत्मनः सदा न स्यात्. सदा न स्यात् मीन्स कदापि न स्यात्. For them, Atma will never be the Jnana or Jnaya Shabda Vachya. Means Atma will never become Jnaya for them. Atma will not be the Vachyartha of Jnana Shabda. Tika. So, and all these are, remember, this mata is based on Shruti only. Eka eva Atma, this is given in many mantras. Eka eva Atma mantavyo.
जाग्रत् स्वप्न सुषुप्तिषु स्थानत्रयव्यतीतस्य
Punarjanma na vidyate. This is Eka eva Atma. In other places also it is given. This is straight Eka eva Atma. Then Nirdukha. Atma is free from dukkha. Any quotations anybody remembers?
विज्ञानम आनंदम ब्रह्म.
That is okay. Anandam Brahma, but Nirdukham, that part is there anywhere? Vita Shoko Bhavati. In Upanishads, like in Mundaka Upanishad, Yada
समाने वृक्षे पुरुषो
Nimagnaha Anishaya Shochati Muhyamana. Jushtam Yada Pashyatyanamisham.
अस्य महिमानम इति वीतशोक.
That Vita Shoka. So Shokarahityam, Nirdukhitvam. And Avikriya hai, like Kathopanishad, etc., Gita. Puram Ekadashadwaram Ajasyavakrachetasah Anusthaya na shochati. Na shochati is there, and Avakrachetasah means avikari. Ajasyavakrachetasah. येषां मते एक एव आत्मा सदा निर्दुःखादि लक्षणों अभ्युपगतः. In those mata where Atma is one, sada nirdukkhadi lakshano abhipagata svikritah, tesham atmanah sada shabda vachyatvam jnayatvam cha na syat paramarthatah iti yojana. In their mata, sada atmanah shabda vachyatvam means jnana shabda vachyatvam. Jnana is the prakarana, you can say any shabda vachyatvam, but jnana shabda vachyatvam, jnaya shabda vachyatvam cha na syat paramarthatah. Paramarthatah Atma will never be ज्ञान ज्ञेय शब्द वाच्य. यद्वा आत्मनि मुख्य शब्द प्रवृत्ति अभावम उक्तम व्यतिरेक मुखेन उपपादयति. इन आत्मा मुख्य शब्द प्रवृत्ति अभाव, what was said, now व्यतिरेक method, व्यतिरेक मुखेन उपपादयति. न येषाम् इति. येषां मते एक एव यथा निर्दिष्ट आत्मा न भवति, तेषामेव शब्दवाच्यत्वं ज्ञेयत्वं च आत्मनः सदा स्यात्. अस्तु इति योजना. So those who don't accept one Atma, yatha nirdishta, only they will have Atma Shabdavachyatvam, Nyayatvam, etc. Not others. Tatra kartradi vyutpattehe sambhavat. There kartradi vyutpatti is possible. Vyutpatti of vyutpatti. Vi ut upasarga पूर्वक पद धातु
etymological meaning.
Yes, of vyutpatti. Vi ut upasarga पूर्वक पद धातु हो तीन प्रत्यय, स्त्रियांग तीन. व्युत्पत्ति व्युत्पत्ते है कर्त्रादि व्युत्पत्ते है संभवात. न तो एकात्मवादे श्रौते तत्संभवः. एकात्मवादे मीन्स अद्वैत मत इज श्रौत मत, श्रुति सिद्ध मत. देयर इट इज नॉट संभव. इति अर्थात सिद्धम इत्यर्थः. दिस इज अर्थात सिद्धम. तर्हि अस्तु शब्दार्थ मुख्यत्वाय सविकार एव आत्मा इति शंकते. पूर्व पक्ष से ओके, we somehow we need मुख्य अर्थ of आत्मा. सो शब्दार्थ, आत्म शब्दार्थ और ज्ञान शब्दार्थ मुख्यत्वाय, for the मुख्य अर्थ to work, let आत्मा be सविकार इति शंकते. यदाहंकर्तुरात्मत्वं तदा शब्दार्थ मुख्यता नाशनायादिमत्वात्तु श्रुतौ तस्यात्मतेष्यते. यदाहंकर्तुरात्मत्वं तदा शब्दार्थ मुख्यता नाशनायादिमत्वात्तु श्रुतौ तस्यात्मतेष्यते. यदा अहंकर्तुर्हु आत्मत्वं तदा शब्दार्थ मुख्यता स्यात्. पूर्व पक्षी सजेशन. Siddhanti's response will be न. अशनायादि मत्वात्तु श्रुतौ तस्य आत्मता न इष्यते. Either you say na separately and then do the vakya, or only one vakya. अशनायादि मत्वात्तु श्रुतौ तस्य आत्मता न इष्यते. Ahankara as Atma, मुख्य शब्दार्थ, like for Mimamsakas, for Naiyayikas, who all have accepted Atma as Karta Bhokta. And they don't have Nirvikara Atma. But that Ahankara has Ashana Pipasa, Ashanaya. What is the meaning of Ashanaya?
Hunger.
Hunger.
Sanskrit, not in English.
अश धातु स्वामी जी ल्युट प्रत्यय अशन शब्द
अशितुम इच्छा अशनाया. पिपासा
पिबतुम इच्छा.
पातुम इच्छा.
तुम इच्छा पा धातु.
पातुम इच्छा पिपासा. अशितुम इच्छा अशनाया. Ahankara has Ashana Pipasa. Ashana Pipasa means Ahankar is, really speaking, Ashana Pipasa are dharma of prana, but directly ahankara is involved with it. And therefore, Shrutau tasya atmata neshyate. अहम करते त्यादि अभिमन्यमान आकारस्य आत्मत्वमेव नास्ति इति परिहरति. अहंकर्ता इत्यादि अभिमन्यमान आकारस्य, that is not atma, the one who has the aham karomi, this abhimana. परिहरति न इति. योषणाया पिपासे शोकम मोहं जराम मृत्युम अत्येति एतं वै तमात्मानं विदित्वा पुत्रैषणायाश्च वित्तैषणायाश्च लोकैषणायाश्च अथ भिक्षाचर्यं चरन्ति इत्यादि. This is the quotation from 351, the whole Brahmana. Ashana Pipasa, hunger, thirst. Shokam, moham. Shoka moha are dharma of antakarana. Jara mrityu of sthula sharira. Ashana Pipasa of pranamaya kosha. Atyeti. This is the swarupa of Atma. So those who consider ahankara as Atma, then all this will be part of that ahankara. विदित्वा इति श्रुतौ आत्मनो अशनायादि अतितत्व स्वाभाव्य अवगमात् अशनायादि धर्मवत्वात् अहंकर्तुः तस्य आत्मता नेष्यते इति योजना. Atma is free from ashanayadi dharma, and ahankara is associated with ashanayadi dharma. So therefore, ahankara cannot be Atma. Very simple yukti. अतो ज्ञानादि शब्द आत्मनि न साक्षात प्रवर्तन्ते. So Purvapakshi's suggestion is outright rejected. So then Purvapakshi is looking at Siddhanti. Okay, so now then what should we do? Iti abhasa dwarata asmadukta tesham siddha iti bhava. So in that jnana shabda vachya, jnaya shabda vachya, what are we talking about? Abhasa. Abhasa siddhi is happening. Because earlier it was said, ahankara atma. Ahankara is jada. Atma is avikari. Janati vyutpatti. Jnana shabda kartru vyutpatti is janati iti jnaha. Janati iti jnanam. This is kartru vyutpatti. It cannot be in ahankara, because ahankara cannot know. It is jada. It cannot be in atma, because atma is avikari. But in the chidabhasa, which is combination of the two, you can put janami. Nyaya shabda vachya, chidabhasa. Chidabhasa can become known. See, this is, no other darshan has chidabhasa. No other prakarana grantha of Bhagavan Bhashyakar does the siddhi of chidabhasa in this way. This is the only text where it is explained in such a beautiful way. Therefore, all problems belong to chidabhasa. So I have to separate myself from chidabhasa. ननु एवं उक्तरीत्या यदि जानात्यादेर आत्मनि अन्यत्र च मुख्यता न संभवेत् तर्हि वृत्त्यन्तरेणापि आत्मनि प्रवृत्तिरनुपपन्ना न हि क्वापि अमुख्यं क्वचित् उपचर्यते इति संभवति इति शंकते. Purvapakshi says, okay, then according to whatever you have said so far, uktaritya, if janati, janatyadehe atmani anyatra cha, neither in atma mukhya shabda cannot be there, nor in ahankara mukhya shabda vyavahara of janati can be there, neither in atma nor in ahankara. Purvapakshi doesn't want to accept Chidabhasa. Because in none of their darshan there is any word called Chidabhasa. So he says if mukhyata na sambhave, tarhi vritti antarena api atmani pravrittihi anupapanna. If mukhya vritti you cannot use, neither in atma nor in ahankara, then anywhere else also mukhya vritti antarena. Then he says if mukhya vritti cannot work, gauna vritti also cannot work. वृत्ति अंतरेण अपि आत्मनि प्रवृत्ति अनुपपन्ना. Why? नहि क्वापि अमुख्यम क्वचिद उपचर्यते इति संभवति इति शंकते. He says नहि क्वापि anywhere अमुख्य वृत्ति क्वापि अमुख्यम क्वचिद उपचर्यते. Anywhere its upachara means prayoga is possible then if it is amukhya. Iti sambhavati, and this is what will become possible iti shankate. हंततर्हि न मुख्यार्थो नापि गौणः कथंचन जानाति इत्यादि शब्दस्य गतिर्वाच्या तथापि तु हंततर्हि न मुख्यार्थो नापि गौणः कथंचन जानाति इत्यादि शब्दस्य गतिर्वाच्या तथापि तु. हंततर्हि पूर्व पक्ष. This shloka, actually next two shlokas 59-60 are purva paksha, 61-62 are possible answers Siddhanti suggests and Siddhanti refutes both of them. Means this is all Purva Paksha only. Let us see this shloka. Hanta tarhi na mukhyartho napi gaunaha kathanchana janati ityadi shabdasya tarhi na mukhyartho napi gaunaha kathanchana bhavati. तथापि तु जानाति इत्यादि शब्दस्य गतिर्वाच्या. Still you have to explain what is the object that this janati ityadi shabda is referring to. Janati kaha? Janati iti jnaha. So kaha, what is the meaning of the word jnanam? What is the meaning of jneyam, etc.? You will have to explain. Neither mukhyartha nor gauna artha we know. So meaning is spashtam, there is nothing given, but it says hanta tarhi iti chaturvi. Chaturvihi shlokai. So in 4 shlokas, this mata means this doubt is being debated. Further, मास्तु मुख्या भावाद गौणो अपि तथापि किम इति गतिर्वाच्या इति चेत तत्र. ओके, let there be no mukhya bhava, mukhya artha. Mukhya abhavat gaunopi mastu. If mukhya artha is not there, gauna artha will not be there. How if mukhya artha is not there, gauna artha also will not be there? So the thinking is this. Gauna means, let us take it as lakshyartha. Okay. When we say Gangayam Nauka, what is the meaning of the word Ganga?
Nadi. Tatta.
Pravaha. Ganga means pravaha, that which is flowing. That is called the Mukhyartha. Because in Pravaha, Nauka can be there. Gangayam Nauka. If I say Gangayam Ghosha, then I have to take Lakshana and I take the word Tira. But when I say Tira, which is where Ganga Padasya Lakshana is there, Tira Pada is already Vachyartha of Tira Shabda. Because Tira Pada is Vachyartha of some Shabda, therefore in that another Shabdasya Lakshana is possible. If Tira Shabda, because Tira is also known through Pratyaksha Pramana. If Tira is not known by any Shabda, Tira is not known by any Pramana, you cannot do Lakshana of some Pada in Tira. This is Purvapakshi's objection. I am not sure if it is explained in this detail here in this text, but elsewhere these things are discussed. How will you use Lakshana in Atma if Atma is not Vachyartha of any Pada, Atma is not known through any other Pramana? Only Lakshana you will use. How will you know? Because when you take example of Gangayam Ghosha, so Tira, Ganga Pada Lakshana is in Tira. Tira is already known through Pratyaksha Pramana. Tira Pada Vachyartha is Tira Artha. Then Ganga Padasya Lakshana you can take in Tira. So if Atma is not Vachyartha of anything, any Pada Lakshana also you cannot take in Atma. This also will be a problem. That's why na mukhyartho napi gauna kathanchana. Then janati ityadi shabdasya gatihi, you have to know. Gatir kim iti gatirvachya iti chet tatraha. Shabdanam vedasyapya pramanata. Vedasyapya pramanata sacha neshta tato grahya gatirasya prasiddhitaha. Shabdanam ayatharthatve vedasyapya pramanata sacha neshta tato grahya gatirasya prasiddhitaha. Shabdanam ayatharthatve vedasya api apramanata syat. If you say Shabda are ayathartha, means they are not pointing out something either through Mukhya Vritti or Gauna Vritti, then that Veda which is referring to such thing will become apramana. Vedasya api apramanata syat. Sacha na ishta, and that apramanata of Veda is not ishta for any of the Vaidikas. Tato, therefore, you have to do adhyahara of janami iti shabdasya. Asya is given, asya gatihi. Asya means janami iti shabdasya, asya shabdasya, gatihi prasiddhitaha grahya. Purvapakshi says, okay, then let's do what is popularly known. That is where we should use the janami shabda. Because somewhere you will have to put this. So he says, tato janami iti shabdasya gatihi prasiddhitaha grahya. In Veda, there is in Mimamsa, there is a adhikarana, Loka Vedadya adhikarana, in Jaimini Maharshi Sutras, according to which, if a Shabda is used in Veda, its meaning has to come from Laukika Shabda, Laukika Vyavahara. Unless it is very specific to Veda. Those who are studying Artha Sangraha, they have already covered this portion. Any Drishtanta you remember? That which is differing from Loka Vyavahara, such Vaidika Shabda.
Yupaha.
Yupaha. Yupa, okay. Aditya Yupaha. So there it says you should take Yupa as Aditya, even though Laukika Artha is different. Laukika Artha of Yupa is a post-sacrificial post. So it is Arthavada Vakya there. Any such Arthavada Vakyas will be there. Another Drishtanta that is given is Udbidha Yajeta Pashukamaha. Udbidha Yajeta Pashukama. What is Udbidha? Udbid. What is the Vyutpatti Artha of Udbid? I was told, Swamiji, you are not asking any questions now. So I am asking questions. Nobody is answering anything. Udbid means tree. Udbid, that which breaks the ground and rises up. That Udbid, 4 types of beings are there, right? Jarayuja, Svedaja,
Andaja, Udvija.
Udbija. Udbija is there. Udbida. Udbid means vriksha. But Udbida Yajeta Pashukama, in that Udbida, Udbid is the name of a yaga. So there it is specifically given the Laukika Shabda Prayoga. Here you should not do. This is specific. This Drishtanta you remember. In Artha Sangraha it has come. Udbida Yajeta Pashukama. Okay, so Tato, because the Shabda is given in Veda, meaning is not becoming clear to us, we should use Prasiddhitaha, some meaning, then that we can apply in Veda. Purvapakshi suggestion. न केवलम लौकिक शब्दानाम एवं जानात्यादीनाम अप्रमाणता किंतु वेदस्य अपि इति अपि शब्द योजना. Not only laukika shabda like janati will become apramanika, Veda also will become apramanika. Vedasya api iti api shabdasya yojana. Loka siddhi vyutpatti apekshatvat Veda bodhakas Veda bodhakatvasya iti abhipraya. Lok siddhi idea. Loka siddhi vyutpatti apekshatvat Veda bodhakatvasya. Veda bodhaka vakya will expect loka siddha vyutpatti. So in Veda, if there is Agni Shabda, Agnim Ide Purohitam, that Agni Shabda should come from Loka Vyavahara, Loka Siddha Vyutpatti I have to take. That Agni they are referring.
Cannot hear you, Swami.
Can you hear me?
Now we can hear Swami.
Okay. See that Vakya? Sa Vedasya apramanata na ishta. Is a correction. Sa Vedasya apramanata, not Devasya. Vedasya apramanata na ishta. Veda becoming apramanika is not ishta for us. Not only that, Chakarat Vedasyeva Atmani pramanata ishta. Iti samuchiyate. Sa cha is given. Cha means Veda alone is pramanam in case of Atma. Atmani Vedasyeva pramanata. Natu Anyasya. Anya pramana, they don't have pramanata when it comes to Veda. Ato Veda pramanya angikara lobhat eva gatir vachya ityartha. Therefore, Veda pramanya angikara lobhat eva gatir vachya. So just because we want to make sure Veda is pramanam, Veda pramanya angikara lobha is there. Greed. This is a good greed. Therefore, gati hi vachya. ज्ञानादि शब्दानाम और जानाति इत्यादि शब्दानाम गति ही वाच्य. गति मीन्स अर्थ. तर्हि प्रसिद्धैव गति ही किम इति किम इह वक्तव्यम. प्रसिद्धा एव गति ही. व्हाट इज प्रसिद्ध मीनिंग दैट यू टेक. किम इह वक्तव्यम इति सिद्धांतिनः शंकां गृह्णाति. What else is there to talk here? This is Siddhanti Shanka. I mean, Siddhanti says, okay, take prasiddha artha. Tatograhya iti prasiddhitaha iti ched iti shash. So, prasiddha artha. Now, in prasiddha for whom? This question will come. If I say, take the popular meaning. Popular for whom? Ajnani, or according to some Vaiyakarana. Prasiddha meaning according to whom? Laukikas or Vaiyakarana. तत्र वक्तव्यम प्राकृत जन प्रसिद्ध्या गति ही आश्रियते पाणिन्यादि अभियुक्त प्रसिद्ध्या वा. डू यू वांट टू यूज प्राकृत जन प्रसिद्धि और पाणिन्यादि अभियुक्त प्रसिद्धि? Mean two options are there. Either you go by Laukika people, means Charvak Matam, or you go by Vaiyakarana Matam. Which one do you think Siddhanti wants?
Not both.
Neither of them. Siddhanti is not interested in either of them. See. Tatra adyam anudya dushati. Siddhanti will say, okay, let's take first one. Then he'll refute. Let's take second one. He'll refute. Prasiddhir mudhalokasya yadigrahya niratmata lokayatika siddhantah sacha nishta prasajyate. प्रसिद्धिर्मूढ़लोकस्य यदिग्राह्या निरात्मता लोकायतिक सिद्धान्तः साचा निष्ठा प्रसज्यते. यदि मूढ़लोकस्य प्रसिद्धिर्ग्राह्या तर्हि लोकायतिक सिद्धान्तः प्रसज्यते निरात्मता च प्रसज्यते सा च अनिष्टा प्रसज्येत इत्यर्थः. इस लोक प्रसिद्धि इज लोकायतिक मत. लोकेषु आयतम विस्तीर्णम इति लोकायतम. लोकेषु आयतम लोकायतम. लोकायतिक there is ठन प्रत्यय अत इनि ठनौ. सो लोकायतम अस्य अस्ति इति लोकायतिकम. That which is very well popular in the loka. It is मूढ़लोकस्य प्रसिद्धि. ठीक है. प्राकृत प्रसिद्धि अभ्युपगमे देहात्म प्रसिद्धे. If you say what is the general opinion, जानाति कहा, अहम जानामि. अहम means what? देह. कहा ज्ञेय. अहम आत्मा. आत्मा means देह. For them everything is देह only. देहोहम इत्येव जडस्य बुद्धि. छाया शरीरे
प्रतिबिंब गात्रे.
श्लोक विवेक चूड़ामणि.
विवेक विज्ञान महात्म.
नो नो नो. छाया शरीरे प्रतिबिंब गात्रे यत् स्वप्न देहे हृदि कल्पितांगे यथात्म बुद्धिस्तव नास्ति काचित् जीवत् शरीरे च तथैव मास्तु. प्राकृत प्रसिद्धि अभ्युपगमे देहात्म प्रसिद्धि है. देहात्मवाद विल कम. आचार्य सेज just as chaya sharira you don't have atma buddhi, in this also you don't have atma buddhi, this sharira. देहात्म प्रसिद्धेरपि अभ्युपगमात् निरात्मवादादि आपत्ति अनिष्टा प्रसज्यत इत्यर्थ. दिस इज निरात्मवाद. चार्वाकादि they don't have any atma. Deha is only atma for them. द्वितीय मनुद्य प्रत्याह. अभियुक्त प्रसिद्धिश्चेत् पूर्ववद् दुर्विवेकता गतिशून्यं न वेदोऽयं प्रमाणं संवदत्युत। अभियुक्त प्रसिद्धिश्चेत् पूर्ववद् दुर्विवेकता गतिशून्यं न वेदोऽयं प्रमाणं संवदत्युत। अभियुक्त प्रसिद्धि means if you go by Panini Maharshi's prasiddhi, what is Atma? Iti chet Purvavad Durvivekata. Purvavad, how it was given in Shloka 54. You will end up in Durviveka. Smriti Virodha was given. Smriti means Paniniji's Vyakarana. Gati Shunyam na Vedoyam. And Veda cannot be Gati Shunya without any meaning or apramana. Pramanam uta samvadati. And therefore, Siddhanti will speak of Pramana. How to understand this? Tika you see quickly. Purvavat iti. Buddhehe atmanova jnatratvam durnirupam. Iti pragukta dosha prasanga. Buddhi cannot have jnatratvam. Atma cannot have jnatratvam. This is durnirupam. This was already explained earlier. Pragukta dosha prasanga will come again. Yadi evam tarhi atmano gati shunyam eva jnatratvam vedo anuvadishyati iti tatra. If this is the case, yadi evam tarhi gati shunyam iva, like no meaning or no clarity, atmanah jnatratvam vedo anuvadishyati. Veda will also say something like that. Iti tatraha vedo ayam vedo na gati shunyam. This Veda is not like gati shunyam. Why? Pramanam iti. Veda is pramanam. Hetu garbham visheshanam. Pramanam iti hetu garbham Veda visheshanam. So, because it is hetu garbha visheshanam, Veda is pramanika. Therefore, you cannot say there is no meaning or use ahankara or something. No. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.